So here's the update. This is my first drive into the mountains. I've already almost driven 100 kilometers away from home. Barely burned any gas, which is insane because I would take this road with the gasoline engine in and I'd be just under a quarter tank. So this engine is incredibly efficient. So far, it hasn't given me any issues for the past 100-ish kilometers. So this is gonna be a solo trip, which isn't really ideal, but I trust my work. So we're just airing down now at the trailhead. Mountains that way. Okay, we're all aired down. Just gonna do a quick once over before we head into the bush. So far I've had power steering leaks, fuel leaks, and an intercooler hose popping off. So those are the main things I'm gonna check. It was this one that popped off, so I replaced it with a stronger clamp. Seemed pretty good for the drive here. Any weird rubbing? There's bound to be rubbing on this side, but looks like everything is still secured. Harness is still secured. I had a fuel leak from this line, but I double clamped it and it seems like it's doing just fine. Yeah, I mean, everything looks good. I think we should just drive on in. Okay, we're approaching our first stop. So I'm gonna throw it into low. This is also the first time I'm using low range after the swap. You can really hear the turbo in low. There's our little water crossing up here. Oh, she's a little deep. A little scrape. Not bad. And then we're gonna approach the beach. This spot is gorgeous. We've made it to the beach. Just gonna find a nice place to park. It's not too busy out today, which is great. We got some dogs down here. Look at these guys. Alright, so I think the plan is to drive out of here. I want to get to the top of the mountain, probably make some tea, set up the awning, and just chill for like an hour or two, and head home. So we're en route to the top of the mountain. We're about 40 kilometers into the trail now. I'm actually going to turn into here because this is how we get to the top. But yeah, here we go. Temperatures are all good. EGTs are all good. I'm not losing boost pressure. Everything seems fine. So we'll keep putting along here. And yeah, we'll see you at the top. We're on the edge of the mountain at roughly a 10-degree climb, and the diesel will literally just idle up this after I give it some gas to start. So in low range, I'm just gonna give it some gas to get going, and then I can take my foot off the gas pedal and the car just walks up. This is a pretty wicked climb. beautiful mountains in the back. It doesn't look like much on camera. For a 1.9 liter spinning 35-inch tires on a heavy vehicle with no re-gear, this is pretty impressive. And I can give it more beans if I really wanted to. But the coolant temps started climbing because I don't have my rad fans hooked up. Made it to my spot. I'm gonna shut her down. Let her cool off a little. See if there's anything funky underneath the hood. If not, I'm gonna set up my awning and I'm just gonna chill here for a couple hours and do absolutely nothing. And I've been wanting to do absolutely nothing for so long, I just haven't found the time. But there it is. Oh, there's something new. See a bunch of rubber. That's probably from the belt. Yeah, the belt's super close to the timing cover actually. Should probably get that sorted out, but the belt should last me my way home, so no big deal. Other than that, a little bit of leak here from the PCV, but that's my fault because I'm supposed to route it to the intake. I just never got around to doing that, so I should probably be a little careful because the exhaust manifold is right there. But yeah, I mean, no fuel leakage. That's good. That is really good. Coolant level chilling at full. No leakage in the power steering. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Just gonna let her cool off because again, I don't have my rad fans hooked up, so yeah, that's it. I'm gonna set up. This is one of my favorite spots. And just to be able to drive up here and chill, like, can't complain. We got a bunch of just water flowing there. Gorgeous out here. So before I head home today, I thought it would be a good idea to do some light wheeling before I go while I'm still on the trail anyways. So I'm taking this offshoot here and we're gonna get down to the lake. Gotta straddle this rock. It's pretty cool to hear the diesel just clattering away. Some rock slider action going on. It's like fully flexed out back there. Not bad. That's the beach. Now I'm ready to go back home.